Welcome back, everyone. Barcelona have just released the latest official images from the works at Spotify Camp Nou, and today we're taking you on an exclusive walkthrough of the stadium's transformation. From entrances to seating, and from parking to player areas, progress can be seen everywhere. Let's dive in. Outside the stadium, the entire perimeter is now fully secured with railings, creating a safe separation between public areas and entrances. It's an important step for fan safety, even before stepping inside. At the main stand entrance, the underground stairs are already completed and clearly visible. Alongside, a dedicated ramp for people with disabilities ensures that the new Camp Nou will be accessible to everyone. Just inside, the adjacent corridors look almost ready. Clean floors, polished walls, and an atmosphere that already feels prepared for match day. The parking and charging zones for electric vehicles are also ready, with clearly marked spaces. A smart modern feature, proving that this stadium is being built with the future in mind. Moving upwards, the spiral staircase leading to the second tier has been installed. While a few finishing touches remain, the view from the second level is already spectacular. The freshly installed seats look spotless, a credit to the workers for their precision and detail. At every entrance, new signage and security cameras are in place. Fans will easily find their way, while the cameras ensure safety during the biggest matches. Around the corridors, one striking design choice stands out: the exposed concrete columns and ceilings. Far from being unfinished, this is a deliberate modern look, used in many new stadiums for style and efficiency. From the corner of the second tier, the pitch view is outstanding, an angle that fans will absolutely love. The media and broadcast rooms are also completed, ready to deliver the Camp Nou experience to millions worldwide. Behind the scenes, essential technical service rooms for power, water, servers, and oxygen are already finished. The highlight inside? The main lobby, featuring a massive LED panel glowing in Barca's iconic colors. A spectacular welcome for anyone entering. And yes, the locker rooms and showers are also complete, showing just how advanced the interior works are becoming. So, this is the progress Barcelona have officially shared in their latest update. Step by step, phase by phase, the new Camp Nou is shaping into a modern football masterpiece. What matters most now is sticking to deadlines so that everything is ready right on schedule. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to Giga Build's Update for more professional updates, and we'll see you in the next video.